So to use these, I wanted to put these on here, right? But here's the thing, they don't stay still. I'm afraid they're gonna fall off, right? So let me show you what I'm getting ready to do. I'm going to put some glue on the top of this, just like this, and I've already done this one, so I'm gonna show you how it works. See, I just did a circle and it's hot. So now what it does is it gives it a base. See what I'm saying? It gives it a base, so you can turn it sideways or whatever. That way it's sitting up on it nice and it's not gonna roll. Versus sitting up on it and doing that, making it look lopsided and all that. So I'm gonna put the glue on here and show you. A very simple tip. If you want to put certain things in your candle holders that don't fit, that's it. Just take and put some glue, and this is not going to hurt the glass at all, because once it dries, you can literally peel this off and wouldn't have a problem. So you just let that dry like that, and then you come back, put your ball on, and your ball should stay centered. This one, wait, hold on. I need to push this glue over a little bit. Wait, we'll see. It might be fine. A glue disaster. Hold on. So, that's that. I'm gonna let it sit and I'll be right back. Hold on. So this is dry, and see the circle in there? So now I can put her in there like that. And she looks much better, right? And she's not gonna just roll and wobble all over the place. So, yep, good. I like her better like that. I don't know if I want her sideways. I think I want her sideways. So, yep, that's what she looks like. And it helps them to stay in place versus being on the side or rolling or whatever. It helps it stay where you want it to stay. So, all right, just a quick tip. I'm getting ready to fix this as well. This is the centerpiece from these three go on my dining room table. This I bought like this, and I think this was on sale at Ross because of this. But your girl always finds ways to fix stuff. So I'm getting ready to take some Mod Podge, and I have some copper leaf pieces, a whole bunch. I don't know if y'all can see them, but it's a lot in there. And I'm going to try to fix that. So guys, here I'm going to be taking some matte Mod Podge, and I'm going to be applying it with a sponge brush, and I'm going to be taking my hand and applying the copper full in little pieces. And I have another brush, which is a dry brush, that is allowing me to press the foil down into the Mod Podge so that it adheres to the sculpture very well. After I get all of the copper full applied, I will take a glossy Mod Podge and I will wipe that all over the area that I have applied the copper foil, and that will seal it so that it doesn't chip, crack, peel, or anything like that. Why am I so tongue-tied? So that's basically what I am doing. You see how thin this foil is, and you can just lightly rip it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm getting ready to show you guys what this looks like on my table because it came out really well. But this picture is also, it's sitting still wet, so it still needs to dry. But all right, guys, here they are. Great way to restore something frugally that has some great potential on clearance. If you guys enjoy these DIY decor tips on how to preserve your precious beauties, make sure you thumbs up, share my channel, and I will see you in the next video. If you were looking for your girl on social media, this is where I am at CPR for the Body. But hey, before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.